In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel recurring appointments on Acuity. Navigating through our busy schedules can be quite the challenge, especially when we have recurring appointments set up that no longer fit into our calendar. Whether it's because plans have changed, or you simply need to make room for new priorities, knowing how to cancel these recurring appointments efficiently is essential. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of doing just that on Acuity Scheduling, a popular appointment scheduling software many of us rely on. Let's start with the basics. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, visit Acuity Scheduling's website. This is where all the magic happens, and where we'll begin our journey to decluttering your schedule. Upon arriving at the Acuity homepage, your next step will be to log in to your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will take you closer to where you need to be. Now it's time to identify yourself. Type in your email address in the space provided. This should be the email you used when you initially signed up for Acuity. It's your unique identifier and ensures that you're the one making changes to your account, keeping everything secure. After you've entered your email, proceed by clicking Next. This progresses you further into the login process, inching you closer to managing your appointments. For those of you who have linked your Google account with Acuity, you'll see an option to continue with Google. It's a shortcut of sorts, simplifying the login process. Click on this and it'll lead you to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the relevant account and voila, you're in. Now that you're logged into your Acuity account, it's time to navigate to your client list. You can find this by looking for a link labeled as such, or perhaps an icon designated for client management. This is where all clients are listed and where you can manage their appointments. Once you're viewing your client list, look for the specific client whose recurring appointment you wish to cancel. Clicking on your client's profile will open up their appointment history and future bookings. Here's where the key action takes place. To select all the appointments you wish to cancel, simply click on Check All. This is a handy feature for when you need to manage multiple appointments quickly without selecting them one by one. After selecting the appointments, your next step is to cancel them. Look for the Cancel Selected button, which should now be accessible or highlighted since you've chosen the appointments that no longer fit into your or your client's schedule. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process for all selected appointments. However, before you proceed, a quick note. Always communicate with your client before cancelling appointments. It's not only professional, but also courteous to inform them about the changes to their schedule. It helps maintain a good relationship and understanding between both parties. Cancellations, especially of recurring appointments, can sometimes feel a bit daunting. There's the worry of impacting your relationship with your clients or the hassle of reorganizing your schedule, but managing your time effectively is crucial, not only for your productivity, but also for your mental health. Keeping your schedule flexible and adapting to changes is part of managing a successful business or a well-balanced life. Remember, Acuity is designed to make appointment management a breeze. Utilizing features like bulk appointment cancellations helps you save time and keep your and your clients' schedules in check. And who knows, the time you free up might just be the perfect opportunity to explore new ventures or simply take a moment for yourself. That wraps up our guide on how to cancel recurring appointments on Acuity. Remember, it's all about maintaining a balance that works for you and those you serve. I hope this video has made the process clear and that you feel more confident managing your appointments going forward. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more organized, manageable schedule.